Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning Wise. Today we are going to see how a child can upload his work, specifically his homework, in class notebook of Microsoft Teams. I've seen many times it is very easier to upload the work using the desktop app of Microsoft Teams, but a child faces a lot of problem when he's using the mobile version. So we are going to tackle that in this tutorial. So let's get started. So the first step is going to be go to your Play Store, Google Play Store, and download Microsoft OneNote app. Now you can see that I've got this, this image of the Microsoft OneNote. You can find the same and download it on your mobile and then install it. So this is going to be the first step. Okay, once you are done with this process, then you can come to the actual process of signing in to your Microsoft Teams in your mobile. For this you will have to use the ID which has been given by your school. Once you are done with the successful signing in, you can select the class team which you are in and go and choose the general channel like I have pointed it out here. Now once you are done with that selection of general channel, you will see the more button over here. So you have to click on this more tab. After that you'll see the class notebook tab available under the more section. So please go and choose that. Now when you click on the class notebook, it will open up and it will show you the class notebook which is available to you, or maybe I'll say which you are a part of. After that, when you click on it, it will show you the entire content of the class notebook. You can see in my example there are so many notes available of chemistry, computers, English, maths, physics, etc. Now you have to scroll down to find your name, which will ideally be just below the content library. See, this is the content library. These are the content under the content library, and right after the content library is the name of the child. Okay, so you have to click on the small arrow to expand the section, and here you'll find so many sections. Ideally, they are the class notes, handouts, quizzes. Okay, and if in case your teacher has given one section, let's say homework, and you are supposed to put your homework under that section, then please go and select that. Alternatively, I'll say you can choose to select the section where you want to put your content. So choose the desired section which you want to put your content or homework in. So now once you are done with that, that section is going to show the pages whatever are available under that section. In my case, as I selected the homework section, and here are the 5 pages under this section, namely SQL worksheet, recursion, untitled pages. There are 2 untitled pages, and then the last one is these functions. So you can see that SQL function, recursion and functions, these 3 are the homework done by this child, and there are 2 untitled pages. So you can click on the untitled pages, and once you click that, you have to go and give it a heading. Now let me tell you, the heading is actually the name of the page, so make sure you select the appropriate heading for your page. Now once you're done with the naming of your page, you can click down on the camera icon at the bottom of the page. Just click on that and it will show you 2 options. First is the image from gallery and second is the capture a photo. Now in case you have already clicked the photographs of the homework on your mobile, you can go to the option image from gallery, and it will take you directly to your gallery. Okay, but in case you have not clicked any photographs already and you want to directly click the photographs, then the ideal option will be capture a photo. Alright, So in my case, I'm choosing image from gallery. Once you do that, you'll be transferred to the mobile gallery, from where you can choose the photos you want to upload on the this particular section. So I've selected these 4 images, and once you select the photograph, it will be uploaded in the page of your notebook, which you can see here as well, that there are 2 pages which are uploaded. And that's all. I believe it's very simple, and yeah, I'm sure you're going to find this video useful. Thank you for watching.